Hello friends, today I will explain again about the topics how to equalize a chemical equation. So let's start my video. আমি যদি ইকুৱেলাইজ কৰিব লাগে ধৰক ইকুৱেশ্যনত আমাক দিয়া আছে যে H2 plus Cl2. How to equalize it? We'll get as a product HCl. So to equalize this equation, we have to add here A, B and C. So A, the here hydrogen ইয়াত কিমানটা আছে যে হাইড্ৰোজেন ইয়াত দুটা আছে twice A, and since it is balance equation, so we have to put we know the law of conservation. According to law of conservation, the number of atoms in the left side is equal to the number of atom right side. So twice A equal C. Here hydrogen 1, so 1 into C equals C, and chlorine will get chlorine twice B equal 1 into 1, here 1 chlorine, so 1 into C equals C. So here what is maximum variable? Here C is maximum variable, so we can put let C equal 1. So when I will put C equal 1 in this equation, I will get twice A equal C. This implies twice A equal equal this implies A equal 1, and let's say equal 1, this implies 1 by 2, so A equal 1 by 2, and from this equation twice B equals C, I will get twice B equal C equal 1, so B equal half 1 by 2. If I put this in this equation, I will get this implies A half hydrogen plus B half chlorine product to C height 1 HCl. So to remove 2, I have to multiply in this equation by 2. I will get H2 Cl2, and 1 into 2 equal HCl. So this is the balance equation. Here in the left side hydrogen 2, and right side hydrogen 2, chlorine 2 here and chlorine 2. So this is the process of balancing equation. So if you like my video, please share it, subscribe and comment on this video.